following an incident.
Hello, how you doing?
What's going on? He's hugging people, touching people.
Okay.
They don't want to be. He's refusing to leave, so
Okay.
I would recommend get trespassed.
Okay.
Because he's not leaving. So he's
I was just in the office and my employee just came in really upset, a young girl. She said, I don't know what to do. This guy asked me for a hug. I said no. He pulled me in and grabbed my breast. So I said, hi. I walked in and he's hugging 3 other customers. I said, you can't be hugging people. Can we come outside and talk? And he's like, you're kicking me out. I said, no, I just want to talk to you out here. And now he's saying, you go ask everybody. They all want to hug me. Who cares if one person doesn't? He's just on and on.
And then where's the...
She doesn't even want to come around him. He can talk around the corners.
A Florida bar. A Saturday night. A man who spent the evening asking strangers for hugs, and one woman who said no. What happened next turned a trespass call into a felony arrest. The owner's employee had said no to a hug. He grabbed her anyway from behind. While she was working. That gap between the no and the grab is where every legal consequence in this case was born. Battery under Florida statute 784.03 does not require injury. It does not require a punch. It requires one element, unconsented physical contact. She said no. He proceeded. The moment that grab happened, the crime was complete. Up to 1 year per count, first-degree misdemeanor.
He's like, I need to see the female that is upset.
Okay, as far as everything goes, right, when you say you want him trespass, you want him trespass and get him off the property, or just you want him off this time? Okay.
I don't think he needs to come back.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've never seen him before. He's just cussing how much he hates this place.
Okay. All right, sounds good. Well, I'll make contact with him, and then obviously I'll talk to the other lady as well.
And if you'd like to talk to the
I know
lady,
he's right there.
I don't want
I know you're relaxed.
I don't want the lady brought in front of him because he's screaming, I want to see who she is.
That's fine.
And she's just shaking like intimidated.
Okay,
So
that's fine. Well, there's another deputy on the way right here, so I'll talk to him for a second.
Thank you
Then
so much.
once he gets here, we'll go in here. I'm gonna need you guys to do paperwork if you guys want to trespass. So.
Yeah, you can go back in the kitchen, Joshua.
Every single person in there, and you can do a pull.
Hello, how you doing, sir?
Good. Fantastic.
Hey, let's step over here, okay?
That's
My
fine.
name's Deborah. Come on, let's keep walking this way. Keep walking this way.
I mean, I'll stand here.
Okay.
Yep.
So my name's Deborah, Soda County Sheriff's Office.
I appreciate
it. The reason why I'm out here is because
you're not going to shake my hand
I
now
already
because
shook
you
your
only
hand.
shook it because you feel enforced.
No, that's not why.
That's why. Shake my hand now when I'm offering it.
Sure. There you go.
Thank you.
There you go.
I appreciate
so
that.
So obviously, like I said, I'm out here because obviously they want you to move out the property.
For why?
Listen to me.
Can you
Hear
do me a favor?
Hear me out.
And your
Hear
job
me
to
out.
investigate, can you go in there? Can you go around the horn of that entire bar and ask them if the guy in the pink shirt ever made them feel uncomfortable?
Okay.
Can you do that?
Listen, give me a second.
Can I ask you to do that?
I'm just telling you why I'm here. Right.
Yep.
Ultimately, if the owner wants you trespass,
no, that's
they
fine.
can have you trespass for
that's
whatever
fine.
reason they
But
want to.
So can I
I
ask?
am going to do that investigative thing, but right
and
now,
then I'll step across the street.
Can I
will
get your ID for a second?
You can't.
Okay.
Because I didn't do anything unlawful.
Okay. If you want to go down that route, we can go down that route. But I'm being very cordial with you, and I need to identify you because right now
I will tell you
I'm going to have you trespass from this property.
No, you can't because I spent money here all night long.
It doesn't matter.
Nope.
It does not matter. Okay, that's fine. If you want to go that route, we can go that route. But I'm asking you right now.
I spent money here all night long.
Are you failing to provide ID? It's a yes or no.
What is the reason?
The reason is because I need to identify who you are.
All right, I'm going to start recording this just to make sure.
You're well within your right.
Just to make sure that you're doing what you're doing.
Okay, that's fine.
But I don't need to identify myself because I did not do anything wrong.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Nope, I did not do anything wrong.
Okay,
so I'm recording this.
That's fine.
Okay? I'm from Detroit Lakes, Minnesota.
Okay, that's fine.
I spent money here all night long.
Okay, that's fine.
I never did anything wrong the entire night.
Give me 1 second. Let me write your name down, okay?
Yep.
Because it'd be easier if I had your ID, but that's fine too. I get you spent money, right?
Yep.
Ultimately, you spending money has
it's got nothing to do with that. No, I get
you
it.
spending money does not mean you can't be trespassed from here.
No,
right?
that's fine.
So the owner is trespassing you for X amount of reasons, right? They said that you were hugging people and making people feel uncomfortable.
Can you do me a favor?
Second. I am going to do
that.
that.
Can I ask you a favor?
Timothy, you already told me what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in there and talk to them, okay?
Yep, please.
But I'm just letting you know what's going on and why I'm here. That way you're in the loop.
Have you ever been upset about a hug?
I mean,
I get it. I know.
I get
it.
It depends.
When has a hug ever made you feel bad, like a bad person?
It's all about that person.
I get it.
And what they want.
But
you can't just go in people's place
I'll wait
hugs,
here.
Okay?
Nope. I've asked. Can you go in there and ask every single one of those people?
I'm waiting for another deputy to get out here.
That are sitting at the horn right now. Can you go ask every single? But while you wait, they might be leaving. Can you go ask every single one of them?
No one's leaving.
Yeah, but you don't know that. You don't know when their timing is, bro.
I'm literally watching everybody leave. The parking lot's right here.
You don't know when they're leaving.
Timothy, get over here.
No, I don't have to stand at
your
discretion.
Timothy, come over here. Timothy, come over here.
If you want.
Okay, we're going to go down the right. Cool, that's fine. Nope, that's fine, Timothy. Not a big deal. Well, he's just not being the friendliest of guys. He hugged somebody and touched some girl's boobs. And then obviously I keep telling him to identify himself. He failed to give me his ID. He gave me his name. And I keep telling him to come over here. And he's like, no, you need to do your job. He is intoxicated, so.
The guy is standing in the, against the thing?
Yeah. And then obviously they want him trespass. He's like, well, they can't trespass me because they're not paying for money and stuff like that. So I spent money here. They can't trespass me, all this stuff. And I already told him. He's like, well, you need to do your job and go investigate and stuff. And I was like, hey, man, just hang out here, over here. And he keeps walking over there. So I'm about to detain his ass and put him in my car. So he's not a moving person. So let me get another glove, please. The owner didn't want him trespassed already. So if
they do want him?
Yeah, they want him trespassed. So.
Such a bad. I'm sorry for asking you guys for hugs and you guys.
All right.
He spent about 30 seconds with the deputy before refusing to provide ID. The deputy hadn't mentioned the battery yet, just the trespass. That refusal to identify is where this call started expanding. Florida is a stop and identify state. Under Florida statute 856.021, an officer who reasonably believes a person has committed a crime may demand identification. The battery allegation was already on record. That gave the deputy lawful grounds. Refusal to comply is not a constitutional right in this context. He apologized to the bar, not to the woman, for asking for hugs. The distinction mattered more than he knew. The victim's account was consistent throughout. She had already told him no. He came up behind her while her hands were full. Under Florida statute 784.03, prior verbal refusal plus subsequent contact satisfies every element of battery without additional evidence. The victim's decision not to press charges was her right. It did not extinguish the charge, because the state, not the victim, is the prosecuting party. His entire defense, everyone else wanted a hug. It was legally irrelevant the moment one person said no. Consent is binary in battery law. Majority agreement does not override individual refusal. He acknowledged this himself on camera. Who cares if one person doesn't? That line, in a courtroom, is called a prior inconsistent admission.
Come on, Timothy, let's go this way.
You're not arresting me.
I'm not arresting you, but I'm asking you to do something, and obviously you're not doing it.
No,
right?
I am. So, I'm walking with you.
Okay,
right?
So now you're walking with me. Earlier you were saying you were fine over there, okay?
Yep.
So this is what's going to happen, right? So I need your ID so I can give it your information to put you on trespass.
Did you guys feel offended by me hugging you?
Timothy.
Not at all?
I'm going to place this
No,
in your
you're
pocket.
not touching my phone.
Put it in your pocket.
No, you're not touching my phone.
Okay.
No.
Nope. Go ahead and turn around.
Record all this.
Turn around.
Record all this.
Yeah, you're gonna stop. You're gonna stop. You're gonna hit the ground, man, in a second.
Because I didn't put my phone in my pocket.
Yeah.
Because you're not listening to me. Do it. That's it. Do it. What are you doing?
Because you're assaulting me, dude.
I was trying to tell you you're being detained.
No.
But now you're going to jail for swinging at an officer.
I didn't swing on an officer. No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. So
I didn't swing on an officer.
So you're gonna roll over now?
Towards him. Roll over. Yep. Let's go.
Roll over towards him.
Let's go.
Mertens, record all of it. Record all of it.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
You guys are serious? Put your hand out.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hand out.
Over top.
Put your hands behind your back.
You guys are serious right now?
Yeah.
For what? Dude, exactly. You guys are crazy, bro.
This is a hug?
You guys are crazy, bro.
No.
You can sit back, okay?
Oh, yeah, or you'll be going to jail too.
For a hug.
Yeah,
You guys are so.
okay.
You guys are something else. All right.
God damn, you guys are
34, 48. Okay, we have right now 10, 15.
Stay there.
No,
you guys are something else, bro. I'm laying here. God damn, you guys are something else.
All right. Well,
this is your guys' night out. God damn.
So are you gonna get up?
I'm gonna get up. Yes.
Okay.
You gonna fight again?
I didn't fight anything.
You swung at him.
No, I didn't swing at him.
Yes,
You're on
you did.
camera, bro.
That's fine.
You're on camera.
You're on
Nobody
camera as
swung
well.
it.
Pull it.
That's fine. We're
For a hug.
we got cameras too.
You're not on.
Somebody
Nobody's
somebody
swung
a hug.
at him.
Listen.
You gotta be kidding me, bro. Nobody swung at you, and you know that. You honestly think somebody swung at you? Dude, you guys as a police department got so many issues. God damn. I am down. You got my
go to get
knee
him up.
on my back, bro. Nope, you guys lift me up because you guys are big tough guys.
Okay.
Lift me up.
No, that's fine.
Lift me up.
You're just gonna make matters worse.
For what did I do to you? You said I swung at him. It's all on camera, bro. You guys realize that camera right there has got you guys.
That's fine.
And you say I swung at you. That's bull shit.
You didn't swing at me. You swung at him.
No, I never swung at anybody.
Okay.
It's on camera, bro.
Okay.
God damn, I can't wait. God. All right, lift me up. Lift me up.
Okay, stand up.
No, don't pull on me like that.
Stand up.
Mertens, you got this on camera.
Stand up. Stand up. Good.
All right, put this on social media, dude. Thank you. This is insane. God, you guys are something else. Well, you know how to reach in a wallet, don't you, mother?
I'm looking for your driver's license.
God damn. Mert Dog, get over here and record all this shit. Record all this.
You guys need to step away.
No, they
or
don't.
You're gonna go to jail.
They have the right.
Step away.
No, they have the right to record.
They do have the right. You absolutely have the right to record. Stay back, though. I need you to stay back. I need you to stay back. I need you to stay back. Stay back.
You have the right to record, dude.
You can record, absolutely. Stay back. Stay back or you will go to jail. Step back. Step back. You're impeding my investigation. Step
How
back.
many feet?
Step back.
How many feet?
Till I tell you to do so.
Take it in.
I'm getting in. I am.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
This is insane.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Absolutely insane, dude.
All right, get your knee in for me,
No,
please.
I'm trying. Dude, I can't get my knees and my hands in here at the same time.
Okay, so
Well, you gotta admit, dude.
So yeah, listen. Turn and put yourself
Dude,
inside.
you're gonna
there.
break my wrist.
Yeah, I know. You're gonna do it yourself in a second.
I should kick you in the face, dude, for this.
okay, lean
This
back
is
up.
absolutely insane. No, don't push me.
Okay, I'm trying to help you out.
Dude, this mother.
You don't want to lean up?
No, dude, that hurt my wrist. Do you have body cam?
Yeah, we do. They're recording.
Good. I'm glad you do.
Okay, so do you want to sit up, Timothy?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm gonna
Please
help you out.
assist me in a humane manner.
I mean,
I'm
gonna
asking
try to help
you.
you as much as possible.
You have
okay?
body cam.
So do me a favor. Do me a favor.
Please assist me in a
do me a
humane
favor.
manner.
Listen to me, Timothy. Stop talking.
No, I don't need
Stop
to
talking.
because
listen
I
to
have
me.
the right to
Hey,
talk.
You do have the right to talk. I don't want to
But
try to take
please
that from you.
assist me in
But
a
if you want me to
humane
help
manner.
you, assist you,
In
listen
a
to what I'm
humane manner,
saying.
please.
So
in a humane manner.
there you go. You just have to listen to what I'm saying, Timothy. That's it. All right. Thank you. That's it. Holy cow.
All right. Who can fill out an affidavit? Who saw what happened?
I did not see him grab her. She came to my office. I'm the owner. She
And
came
she
to
told
my
you?
office and told me. I don't know
And you
what
wish to have him
do.
trespassed, correct?
Yes, please.
Okay. If you could just fill out an affidavit, kind of just write on there
Yeah.
exactly what happened, kind of paint us a picture.
And I'm going to go speak to the actual female. Hello. So my name is Deputy Chief of Soda County Sheriff's Office. Obviously, I'm here to investigate what occurred, right? She's taking care of the whole trespass area, right? I want to pretty much talk to you about what is it that occurred between you and this other gentleman, right?
Okay.
So, what happened?
I'm walking past him to go to the kitchen, and he stopped me and he said, "Do you want to hug?" I said, "No, I'm working right now." I continued to keep working, and he kind of just grabs me out of nowhere and just.
When you say
hugs
grabs
me.
you, what did he do? Did he hug you?
He hugged me.
Okay.
And it just happened like so fast.
Okay.
So I'm like, whoa! Like I have a big tray in my hand, so I'm just like confused.
Yeah.
And he just like comes grabs me, and I'm like, please get off me. And then he gets off me, and then he walks around me, and then continues to ask other people at the bar for a hug.
Okay. And then when he hugged you, did you hug? Was it like face-to-face hug? Did he come from your back? Did he hug you from the
It
back?
was like the back side.
Okay. So he came up behind you and hugged you from the back?
Yeah.
Okay. And then obviously you already had told him no prior to that.
Yeah, I was like, no,
Okay.
I don't want to hug.
And then when he touched you, where did he touch you? Like, was it your neck? Was it your chest? Was it your belly button? Was it your
It
breast?
was like it was like here
Okay.
and like around my waist, and I was just like,
Okay.
Where was it? I mean, I could see on camera.
it was like right by the bar.
Do you want to press charges on him for hugging you and touching your breast?
I don't know.
It's your decision.
Totally up to you. You don't have to do anything to me. I mean, it's like he said, you didn't want to touch you. You did. So you want to call somebody?
I mean, I'll give you some time to think about it.
I do
And
that.
then,
She's only worked for me for like a week. I don't.
Yeah,
You know
no
what
worries.
I mean?
No worries. Not a big deal. Like I said, yeah, give whoever you need to give a call. Then obviously, I'm gonna be here. Okay.
I'm just gonna call my mom right now.
Yes,
Okay,
go
you're
ahead.
fine.
Yes.
So my mom said I should.
Hey, Timothy. So,
You ever not like a hug?
all right.
Like,
So
bro,
I'm gonna read this for you real quick. Okay. I get what you're saying, right? But hear me out for a second. Let me read this for you. I want to
it's
make sure
fine.
you understand
It's
your rights. With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me?
I do.
Okay.
But dude, like you gotta feel bad about this. Like what the? Every person at the bar. So our bartender,
Yeah. Who's your bartender?
Kristen, asked her all night. I was sitting there joking, giggling. I don't think I made her feel
Okay.
comfortable. Paid her, tipped her well. We are in different times.
Of course. No. Of
And
course.
you gotta
we are.
admit that.
Yeah. Of course. And
Dude,
that's
there's
why
so
we're
much.
here.
There's so much hate in the world.
I understand.
And you could ask every person around the bar. Could have asked every single one of them. And I said, "Hey, do you want a hug?" And they said yes.
Okay.
You
So
can ask every single one, dude.
I'm listening to what you're saying, right? But
And it's like-
was there anybody that told you
Nope,
no? They
nope,
didn't
nope,
want to
nope,
hug.
nope. There was not. And you
10,
can ask
140.
the people that I was with.
Okay.
There
so
was not.
No one
I-
denied a hug from you.
Honestly,
I'm just
nope,
asking.
nope. But here's the deal. If I came up to you, can I ask you this?
Yeah.
If I gave you a hug, would you feel bad about it?
I wouldn't want you to touch me.
But would you feel bad about a hug?
Yeah, 'cause I don't know
would?
you.
Okay.
The man was charged with resisting an officer with violence and battery. Nearly a year later, the battery charge was dropped, and he pled no contest to resisting an officer with violence. The judge withheld adjudication, meaning he walked away without a formal conviction, and was sentenced to 18 months of probation, 50 hours of community service, a 4-hour anger management class, a drug and alcohol evaluation, and roughly $800 in fines and fees, with permission to serve his probation back home in Minnesota.
When the deputy attempted to physically detain him, the subject resisted with force. That converted a misdemeanor battery call into a violation of Florida Statute 843.01, resisting an officer with violence. Third-degree felony. Up to 5 years. The critical legal threshold here is the word violence. 843.01 does not require that the officer be injured. It requires that the subject use or threaten force while resisting a lawful detention. The takedown was the lawful response, not the provocation. He called for cameras throughout his phone, the bar's system, the Bodycam. He was confident the footage would help him. Under the Florida Sunshine Law, Bodycam footage from a public law enforcement agency is a public record. He was right that it would be reviewed. He was wrong about what it would show. The deputies get an A. Timothy gets a D. The bar employee gets a B+. Before we close, 3 things worth knowing. If you want more Bodycam footage, the moment suspects don't expect to end up on camera. Hit subscribe. We post every week.